Hello everyone, good morning to all. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing great study at your homes, right? So you all are doing a great job. Always do good. All the best. Right? So move on. We already started our chapter number 4, our festival. है ना? In this category we already learnt many thing in our previous lectures. But see, recapitulation is always needed, is always required to get the connectivity of the lecture. है ना? So once again a quick recap about all the chapter, right? We already started chapter number 4, our festival. In this category we will going to learn about the national festival, religious festival and the harvesting festival, right? In this category we are learning about the national festival. I already explained you about the national festival, है ना? First festival is Independence Day. Independence Day I explained each and everything. I explained to you each and everything which is related with Independence Day, है ना? And we are learning in Republic Day. We are learning in Republic Day, right? So once again I will take a quick recap. Independence Day, the day when we got the freedom from British rule, right? And the date is 15th August 1947. 15th of August 1947 we got the independence from British rules, है ना? That time we all feel very good, very happy because we got the freedom from Britishers. We got the freedom from British rules and the regulations, है ना? Which is not our. That British rules is it not good for us? It is not our rules and regulations. When we will feel good, when we made the rules and regulations, है ना? जब हम खुद से चीज़ें बनाते हैं, जो हमारी खुद की चीज़ें होती हैं, then we will feel good, we will feel comfort, we get all rights, है ना? So we got freedom on 15th of August 1947 from British rules, है ना? So that's why we are celebrating this day, and the day we are remembering the sacrifice of that great leaders, those who sacrificed their life to get the freedom for us, है ना? Because of them, because of their sacrifices, we are taking the breath in open fresh air. Now it is all things is in our hand only. We are the leaders. We are doing everything for our country, for India. That time तो we were doing for Britishers. जो भी काम हम करते थे, we are doing for Britishers. That time we are not allowed to hoist our flag. उस समय हम अपना खुद का झंडा नहीं फहरा सकते थे. We are not allowed to that. So British flag, Union Jack, जो अंग्रेजों का झंडा होता था, the name of that flag is Union Jack. We are hosting that flag. वो झंडा हमारे देश में जगह जगह होता था, जगह जगह फहराया जाता था. That indicates what? That indicates that we all are following the British rules. We always do the work under the guidance of Britishers, है ना? उस समय हमारा खुद का कुछ नहीं था. We don't have any rules and regulations. We have to follow. That is the compulsion. That is the foundation from that time. And we Indians not feeling good because India is our country. Then why we will follow the British rules? है ना? Why they will rule on us? है ना? They did not give any freedom to us to live our life happily, to do the job according to our choice. No. That time they forced They forced on us, no, you have to do this. This is the compulsion. This is the must. They will not listen. They were not listen to us. वो हमें नहीं सुनते थे. बस I told that Britishers told we have to do that time. Right? So Independence Day is the day when we are remembering those people who sacrificed their life to get freedom for us. And in this day, the Prime Minister of India, they host the flag on Red Fort, New Delhi. है ना? In this day, we are remembering the courage. We are remembering the sacrifice of the great leaders like Lokmanya Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more, and many more. Right? So on this day, the Prime Minister of India, they host the flag in Red Fort at New Delhi, right? And in this day, the Prime Minister addressed to the people of our country, है ना? And on Republic Day is the day when we got our Constitution. Constitution means our own power. Constitution means our own power, our own rules and regulations, which I already explained about the regulations and the rules in my previous lecture. I explained each and everything at that time. है ना? So Constitution means our own power, power of freedom, power of equality, power of fraternity. So we got our Constitution on 26th of January 1950. This is the day we got our Constitution, we got our power, we got our own rules and regulations, right? So on this day, the President of India, they host the flag. On this day, the President of India, they host the flag, है ना, at Rajpath. And on this day, it is a grand celebration on Rajpath. It is a very huge celebration, very big, very grand celebration is there on Rajpath. Right? In this day, we are showing our power in front of all world. पूरी दुनिया के सामने हम अपनी ताकत दिखाते हैं, हमारी सेना के माध्यम से, हमारी मिसाइल्स के माध्यम से, बंदूकों, तोपों, इन सब के माध्यम से कि यस, वी हैव आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ पावर, है ना? सो ऑन दिस डे वी आर शोइंग आवर पावर टू the all over the world. And in this day there are lots of jhanki which is related to the different states, है ना? The grand show is there. बहुत सारी झांकियाँ होती हैं, बहुत सारी grand parade होती है ना? So everything is grand over there on that day. A grand function, a big function, and the main attraction of that day is the parade, है ना? उस दिन जितनी भी सेनाएं होती है, थल जल वायु, जितनी भी सारी सेनाएं होती हैं, उन सबकी ग्रैंड परेड होती है. एंड all types of jhanki which is related to all these states, they are showing their development, how they develop from 1950 to till. जितना भी विकास, जितनी भी अच्छी चीज़ें हमारे देश ने 1950 से आज तक की आज तक के दिन 2020 तक में how much development we got, we shows that development, right? So on 26 January, President hosts the flag at Rajpath on Vijay Chowk, and huge celebration is there, very big parade, है ना? Lots of jhankis and all these things are doing on that day, है ना? And see, this is the celebration. Now whatever is written in your book, I am going to read. ठीक है? Whatever is written about the Republic Day, I am going to read. I already explained you what the celebration will there on that day, है ना? Now whatever is written in your book in this paragraph on Republic Day, I will read for you. Okay? And whatever word I will tell you, you have to make the underline. You have to make the underline, right? So I am going to read, right? The Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. Yes, I already told you. Every year we are celebrating Republic Day on 26 January. Right on this day, in 1950, India became a republic. है ना? Republic means that has adopted its own constitution. Yes, it is very much correct written over there. We got our own constitution. We got our own power. Power of equality, power of freedom, power of fraternity. है ना? We got all type of power on this day in the form of our constitution. In the form of our constitution. Previously it was ruled by Britishers. Yes, previously we don't have our own constitution. We did not have our constitution. Then who ruled on us? Britishers. अंग्रेजों ने हमारे ऊपर शासन किया था. Who ruled on us? Britishers, right? The main function of Republic Day is held at Rajpath in New Delhi, right? I already told you, I already explained you about this. A grand parade is taken out from Vijay Chowk. A huge, a big parade, है ना, is taken on Vijay Chowk. Our armed force, school children and folk dancers take part in this parade. See, in this parade are armed means the army force. Armed means the army force, right? So it's taken a part. वो part लेती है ना? School children and folk dancers. School children and the folk dancer. Folk dancers means they are following their own tradition. They are following their own culture, है ना? That day they will show their folk dance which is related to that particular place, that particular state, that particular district, that particular place, है ना? So they represent their state, their district by doing the folk dance, है ना? They are representing their state, their district, है ना, their city by doing that folk dance. वो folk dance के माध्यम से अपने state को, अपने district को represent करते हैं. They are telling that yes, we belongs from Kolkata, we belongs from Maharashtra, है ना? We are following that Gujarati culture, we are following that Goa culture, and see this type of things, है ना? And from different states showing their achievements forms a big attraction of parade. Yes, I already told you, different states shows their achievements, what they achieve from 1947 to till whatever they achieved during this long journey, है ना? During this long journey from 15th August 1947 to 2020, whatever we achieved, जितना भी हमने डेवलपमेंट किया है, whatever development we have done, whatever achieved we have done, it shows on that grand parade, it shows there, है ना? And see how I can explain you about the development from 15th August 1947 to 2020, whatever we achieved. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? I will tell you. See dear students, when 1947 there was no electronic equipments, है ना? दूर गांव तक में भी लाइट नहीं होती थी, बिजली नहीं होती थी. No mobiles, no computers, no laptop, no television, nothing was there. So slowly this development will go on. Slowly this all the development is go on, है ना? धीरे धीरे सारी चीजें होती हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता कि पहले कुछ भी नहीं था और जैसे ही फ्रीडम मिली एक दिन के अंदर आपने सब कुछ अचीव कर लिया. एक दिन में लैपटॉप आ गया, मोबाइल्स आ गए, एसीज, कूलर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, प्लेन, ये वो, एवरीथिंग वी गेट. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप भी तो पहले छोटे रहते हो, छोटे से आप, है ना, आप छोटे से धीरे धीरे बड़े होते हो, राइट? ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि आज आप बॉर्न हुए देन नेक्स्ट डे से आप दौड़ना शुरू कर दोगे. नो, You will take 1 year time to walk, to run. Then slowly, slowly you grow up. Slowly, slowly you grow up. First you starts learning how we can sit, how a child can sit. पहले बच्चा बैठना सीखता है. Then they start scrolling. फिर वो घोड़े घोड़े चलना सीखता है. Then he or she starts walking. Then the running. Then when you will celebrate your third birthday, आपके थर्ड बर्थडे के सेलिब्रेशन के बाद you will get the admission in nursery, then LKG, then UKG, then first, second, third and all. So this process is very slow, है ना, ये टाइम से ही होती है. So like that this development whatever we achieved from 1947 to till 2020, it shows all the achievements कि हाँ इतना लंबा सफर, this long journey में whatever we achieved it shows, है ना, it shows will go on that day, right? Okay, now the President of India take the salute of parade. Yes, government buildings around the Rashtrapati Bhavan are illuminated. Illuminated means बेटा लाइट से बहुत सुंदर तरीके से सजाना, है ना, जो राष्ट्रपति भवन होता है. See, you have your own house, I have my own house. As like us, the Prime Minister, President and all the Mantri and Santris, they have their government buildings, है ना, they have their government facilities. They got their big Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Prime Minister Bhavan, Prime Minister Niwas, Mukhya Pradhan Mantri Niwas, like that, है ना, we called in Hindi. So on that day everything is decorated by very good lighting, right? Now I am going to turn the page. So this much is written in your book about the Republic Day. This much only is written in your book about the Republic Day, but I hope that I explained to you each and everything from the flag, from the independence to Republic, right? Everything, even I told you the difference between the Independence Day and the Republic Day. Independence Day flag hosted by the Prime Minister of India, है ना, at Red Fort from New Delhi. On Independence Day flag hosting done by the Prime Minister of India, है ना, at Red Fort, लाल किले से होती है, in Delhi, in New Delhi, है ना. In this day Prime Minister of India address to the citizen of our country, and we remembers the great leaders, those who sacrificed their lives to get freedom, है ना. And on Republic Day we got our own constitution, we got our own power of equality, fraternity and the freedom, right? Earlier it was not there. British ruled on us, right? So on Republic Day President host the flag at Rajpath, Vijay Chowk, है ना. This day a grand celebration is there, a huge celebration is there. All the armed force taken part on this day, है ना. All the jhankis and all the achievements which we got from 1947 to till, it shows that all the states they present their folk dance on this day, है ना, which shows our culture. By doing folk dance they are showing their culture. Yes, India is a diversified country. But we all are single, we all are one. ठीक है, you heard this नारा many times, अनेकता में एकता, भारत की विशेषता. Yes, India is a diversified country, but we all are equal, we all are one. Okay, so it is all about the national festival, Independence Day and Republic Day. Okay, now it's time to tell you something about Gandhi Jayanti. This part I am going to explain you this part, Gandhi Jayanti. See, Gandhi Jayanti is also our national festival. Gandhi Jayanti is also our national festival. We are celebrating 3 national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. And national festivals always ahead on religious festival. National festival is always ahead on religious festival. National festival is on top. National festival is on top. ठीक है? So now first I will read whatever is written in your book, then I will explain to you, right? So I am going to read the paragraph about Gandhi ji, about Gandhi Jayanti, right? First I will tell you the date. We all are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. We all are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Every year we are celebrating this day. We are remembering Mahatma Gandhi. We are remembering his sacrifice, है ना? We are talking about his life, है ना? So everything we will read and I will explain to you. First I will read whatever is written in your book. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Yet it is very much correct, because you will get holiday on this day. You are getting holiday on this day. 2nd October is the birthday of Gandhi ji, and we all Indians are celebrating. We all Indians are remembering Gandhi ji on this day. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great leader. Yet, yes, undoubtedly, he was a great leader. But see, we all are human beings, है ना? Gandhi ji has also done mistake which is not good for our country. We will not discuss about that mistakes. This is not the part of your academic, so I will not go in very deeply. But I personally feel that Gandhi ji should take some good decisions. Whether he could take, वो ले सकते थे, but I don't know how. So move on. Let it be. Move on. Okay. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great leader. He led our freedom movement. Yes, lots of freedom movements run by the Mahatma Gandhi only, है ना? And the person was not believing in हिंसा. He is not believing in fighting, है ना? वो कहते थे कि अगर आपको कोई एक गाल पर स्लैप लगाए तो आप दूसरा गाल भी उसके सामने कर दो, लेकिन बदले में उसे स्लैप ना मारो. He was not believing in hinsa. He was not believing in fighting. Right? The main function of Gandhi Jayanti is held at Rajghat. So you have to underline this word Rajghat. This one line and two line. The main function of Gandhi Jayanti is held at Rajghat. This line you have to make it underline, है ना? The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi. This Rajghat is situated in New Delhi. Actually, this is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, है ना? This is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. The President, the Prime Minister and the other gather at Rajghat to pay their homage, and Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of nation. He is also loving called Bapu. Yes, beside these national festival we also celebrate. Chalo, let it be Gandhi Jayanti. Come on Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October, है ना? In Gujarat. ठीक है, Gandhi ji was a great freedom fighter. He was a great leader. है ना? And he ran many movement which is related to our freedom, right? And we all called Gandhi ji to father of the nation. राष्ट्रपिता भी कहते थे हम उन्हें, ठीक है? And first time नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने बापू को राष्ट्रपिता कहकर बुलाया था, फर्स्ट टाइम। ठीक है, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने महात्मा गांधी को फादर ऑफ द नेशन, राष्ट्रपिता कहकर बुलाया था, है ना। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दी महात्मा गांधी. There is nothing very much written over here, so I will not go very deeply, है ना. But you have to keep this date 2nd October always is in your mind, because this is the day when the Mahatma Gandhi born, when the Mahatma Gandhi born. Okay, and his birthplace is in Gujarat, है ना. And Mahatma Gandhi was great leader undoubtedly, but he could not take good decisions for our country. I don't know why. Okay, and where is his samadhi? His samadhi is situated in New Delhi in Rajghat, है ना. All the prime minister and president and all the leaders of our country on that day they are going over there on Rajghat and paying their श्रद्धांजलि, और श्रद्धांजलि के फूल लेकर उस दिन उन्हें याद किया जाता है ना. When I was a child on that day we got the holiday, definitely as like you, I also got the holiday on that day, but we has to come to school. We have to come to school, and on that day we are celebrating Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. We are remembering him. We are doing lots of drama and poem competition and all, which is related with Gandhiji, है ना. And one very famous thing about the Gandhiji, see, Gandhiji always have a charkha with him, है ना. और वो अपना खुद का क्लोथ बनाते थे. He always worn his cloth which is made by its own, वो खुद से बनाते थे. And he was using khadi, and khadi, when we wear the khadi clothes na, we feel very good, है ना, because khadi is very good for our skin. We will not feel scratchy over here, no. See, all the synthetic material which we are using nowadays, we all are using synthetic material. Synthetic material means the artificial material. Synthetic material means the man-made material which we are using nowadays, because it is quite cheap, है ना. It is quite cheap rather than khadi and the cotton and the silk, because these all we are getting from nature only. Cotton, silk, है ना, we are getting from nature. ये nature ने हमें दिया है. But whatever synthetic clothes we are using nowadays, it is man-made. We are the creator of that clothes. We are creating in the labs, है ना, by using the chemicals. But that time Gandhiji used the charkha, and वो अपने खुद का क्लोथ बनाते थे. And he used khadi. He always used khadi on his body. Always wear khadi clothes, always. And when we wear khadi, we feel wow, amazing, nice feeling, cozy feeling, right? And one very famous song always sung by the Gandhiji, and that is वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जी, पीर पराई जाने दे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो है मन अभिमान ना आने दे. वैष्णव जन तो, this song always sing by Gandhiji, right? So this all about the Gandhiji. Now my time is going to over. I am going to finish my lecture, but before finishing the lecture I want to give a little work. I am giving you a little work. What is that? You have to make the picture, है ना. You have to make the picture of Gandhiji. You have to make a picture of Gandhiji, है ना. And you have to sing that song and made your video and send it to me. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जी, ये वाला सॉन्ग आपको गाना है और आपको इसका मम्मा को बोल के वीडियो बनाना है और आपको उसको मुझे सेंड भी करना है, ठीक है। दिस सॉन्ग इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। फर्स्ट यू विल hear this song again and again and again, so you can learn the words of this, because this song have little difficult word. This song has some little difficult words. So first you will hear at least 2-3 times, then you will sing, that song, है ना। This song is very good. When I am sharing my personal experience to you, that when I will hear this song, now I feel very good, I feel very calm, I feel very peace over here is in my mind. I personally daily heard this song daily. Okay, so you have to sing this song, है ना। Very first listen this song nicely at least 1-2-3 times, then sing this song and make a video and send it to me. Okay, so for you today I will also make the Gandhi ji picture, है ना। You have to decorate it nicely. You have to decorate, see, use your EVS notebook, है ना। Write here Mahatma Gandhi, है ना, Mahatma Gandhi or Gandhi Jayanti. What you can write both the things, and you will write Mahatma Gandhi born on 2nd October. Then draw the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, है ना, and then sing this song and make a video. I am trying. I can't say that I am very good in drawing, but I am trying. I am not very good in drawing, but this is my little effort. I am putting my little effort. Okay. See, I already told you that I am not very much good in drawing. See, I tried, यार, है ना, I tried. Let's see whether you will like it or not. It depends on you. You have to make the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. You have to make the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, है ना. And that song वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जी, पीर पराई जाने दे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो है, मन अभिमान न आने दे. This song you have to sing and you have to make the video and send it to me. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, take care of yourself and celebrate Ganpati Bappa Moria. Okay, bye bye, God bless.